Hello friends, how are you doing today? Today I'm gonna show you how you can make money online. This is a very simple way. So first of all, I'm gonna show you like we can go to the Google Chrome. So the website name is here exeio.com. So you can enter here and you can open the website. Then what you're gonna do, you just need to create your account. Like you can write your first name, last name, and your email address. And whenever you register, so then you go to the here. So what are you gonna do, you need to just create a link. For example, here is a link database dashboard, for example here. So for example, if you want to send this video for your friend, if you have a lot of videos you want to send your friend and anyone, so what are you gonna do, you just need to copy this link here and create a link. Then here, create, and then copy, and you can send this link anywhere. Like you have to send your video, you can send your application, you can send anything, right? So this is a very simple way you can make money. Just create a link and send your friend. So whenever you complete, like they will give you 6 cents. Like if you complete 100 links, you can send 100 friends, 200 friends. Whenever you complete this, they will send you money. Like you can earn money by yourself, you can see here. And this is a very simple way. And another things, if you have another friend, like you have some friends, so you can get you also can send this your friend and you can get some profit, right? Like you have some friend here, refer bonus banners, so you can send your friend. And how you can get money, this is also a very simple way. For example, whenever you complete this, so you can go here and click here, and then you can draw, you can draw, and you can first you have to write your profile name, first name, last name, each and everything, and your address, each and everything. And you also can earn money from your different accounts, from your PayPal, Bitcoin, Payer, and other things, Western Union. So this is very simple way you can earn money online. So what are you gonna do, you just need to create a link, right? So I think this is very simple way. Please, if you like my video, give me comments and subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.